Good morning everyone and welcome to the Tech Tales. Today is the PlayStation 5 launch day. It's 12th of November and we are going out to collect our PlayStation 5 unit. So let's go. So guys, we managed to receive our PlayStation 5. I'm really excited. The process was quick and easy. There wasn't any queue there. So I have my PlayStation 5 along with Spider-Man Miles Morales. I can't wait to get back and start unboxing. Please stay tuned. We'll go back, unbox and set it up. See you there. We are home and we have our PlayStation 5 here for unboxing. Let's examine the packaging first. So this is the disc version, PlayStation 5, 8K, 4K, 120 frame, HDR, their usual specs. These are the contents. We have console, wireless controller, base, HDMI cable, AC power cord, USB cable, and other stuff. Let's open the packaging. So there we go, this is the console. This is most probably be the wires and controller. And we have quick start guide. This is safety guide. We have, this is the base. We are going to need this and we assemble. This is the HDMI 2.1 cable. Power cord. And this is the new DualSense controller. Wow, beautiful. Look at this. We are going to test this in a while. And here we go. This is the USB cable for controller. I guess that's it. There's nothing else in the packaging. But this is the main thing. This is our console. Yay. So here we go. Here is the console. So here we have a PlayStation 5 disc edition. As it was looking in the picture, it's quite beautiful. It's elegant. Yeah, it is a little bit bigger as compared to the previous consoles, but I don't mind that. screw hidden here. Here we go, screw. This one we need to take this cover out. This is how we are going to install it here. And you need a screwdriver to fix this. It's all fixed, it's not going anywhere. And I believe I really like the idea of putting in screw on the base, because this is quite a heavy console and I believe the screw is keeping it secure. So this is how it's going to look like on the base. Cute. Let's install it. So this is where I would like to keep it for now. Let's do the connection. So only the power and HDMI, that's going to be enough for now.
About him.
We have just turned our PlayStation on. In order to pair your controller with the console, you need to connect the cable, and I'll show you what's required. So there's a USB-C cable. Connect it to your console and connect it here. Now press the PlayStation button. It turns on. And it's all paired. So this is where you sign in your PlayStation account. This is the first screen you get when you connect your PlayStation. So terms and conditions, confirm, user, this is about the data collection. I don't want all data to be shared, so I'll select limited only. You can choose what suits you. Adjust display area. So my display is already calibrated. I don't need this to be bigger or smaller. Yeah, I believe this much. Okay, new console, new problem. So we are stuck. It's after the HDR configuration, it's kind of stuck here on this screen. It's not going ahead. I don't know why. I believe we'll have to restart the console. Okay, let's see if preparing to turn off your PlayStation 5. Okay, thank you. Turn it off and then okay, so we have restarted. The light is initially blue. Okay, so here we are. Initial setup was supposed to be smooth, but looks like we have technical difficulties straight away. So after the restart, I am connecting my controller once again. Yep. Okay, now we are moving. So this was a menu which was previously not showing up on the screen, only the background was coming up, and that's it. So guys, if you face the same problem, restart. Just press the power button for a couple of seconds and it's going to shut down, and then you can turn it on again. So I will choose, you can choose the language here. I am in Australia, but there is no English Australia, so I'll go with English UK. Okay, here you connect your Wi-Fi. So we are connecting to the Wi-Fi network, connecting to the internet. Adjust your display area. So it looks like we are back to adjusting the screen size. Yeah, it's repeating the same stuff again. Okay. Anyway, I'll go with optimized experience. We will see these options in detail later. Welcome back to PlayStation. Okay, this is me. So it remembered the account we created before the restart. So we are on the home screen. Top right, it's showing the time, and it was showing that my controller was charging. PlayStation Store, Astro Playroom. This is the built-in game, Astro Playroom. We have media gallery, game library. So at the moment it's all empty. Let's go into settings and see if we have any software update available. So it's telling me that update is available. Let's see if we can download it straight away. So here you go. This is a DualSense controller. Very nice white light appearing here. It has a very nice weight to it. We have a D-pad, analog sticks, share button, PlayStation button, and we have our triggers, USB-C charging port, and there is a built-in battery, unlike Xbox Series X where you have to put in AA size disposable batteries. And this is your headphone, 3.5mm headphone jack. It looks really beautiful, especially I'm liking the texture on it. It feels very comfortable in hand. Okay, so Looks like everybody is trying to connect and download update. So we are not able to connect server. They are under heavy load at the moment. Suggested actions. No, I don't want your suggestions. Let me try once again. If it doesn't go through this time, I'll not download the update. I'll try it later. Okay, so it worked this time. So let's update. I agree. Yes, definitely I agree. Confirm. Okay, guys, so the day one update for PlayStation 5 is 868 MB. Okay, so the system software has been updated. Now there is an update available for the controller. Let's update the controller as well. So this will require the USB cable. Okay, let's update. Now it's displaying blue lights. It was showing white light previously. It's blue. I don't know why and when it changes lights. We'll figure it out once we use it. Controller has been updated. Okay, looks like we are all set. You're not signed in. I'll sign into PlayStation Network and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we are signed in. So without any further delay, let's unbox the Spider-Man Miles Morales and install it. Spider-Man Miles Morales. Here we go, the beautiful shiny disc. Okay, so here you go, Spider-Man, and we put it here this way. So label side towards the black strip. It's showing us that it's reading the disk. Okay, we have Spider-Man Miles Morales, queued for copy. Our PlayStation is all set up. And it's looking beautiful. So guys, that's it for today. PlayStation is all set up, games downloading. I'll post more videos soon about the gameplay and software experience. Till then, stay tuned. Please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. And I'll see you again with the next video. Take care and goodbye.